How to write thesis using AI. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can write thesis using AI. So for that you have to click the link in my description box and you are going to land over here on this interface, and what you have to do is just follow me till the end and you'll be able to write your thesis in no time. So what you have to do is come to this interface, and here you have to go to this box, the message box, and here you have to write thesis on and just write the topic that you chose for your thesis. Like I chose health and fitness, I'm going to write health and fitness, and then you can just click outline builder, automatically create document headings. That would be a great help. Here it tells you that it is your prompt weak, or you can add more text for higher quality generations, but this is a demo so I don't care. I'm going to click start writing, and right after a few minutes you will just see how this AI just generates thesis for you in no time. You can see that it has generated this thesis headlines for me, and now I have to just keep accepting or see alternatives for like this sentence. I'm going to accept this one and show you some alternatives in the next one. So you can see that once it has written this sentence, it's going to tell me if I want to accept it or see alternatives. I'm going to click see alternative and it's going to regenerate the sentence for me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can write thesis using AI. I hope you liked the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.